Hello fellow nature enthusiasts, today we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of Porcellio scaber, orange koi, a captivating and visually stunning isopod species that has garnered the attention of collectors and enthusiasts. These unique creatures come with specific requirements for their growth and well-being, but before we dive into this thrilling exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the mesmerizing world of nature. Orange koi is an isopod species with a rich history and intriguing origins. Belonging to the Porcellio genus, these isopods are renowned for their striking and vibrant colors, resembling the patterns of koi fish. While specific details about their origins may vary, they are cherished for their captivating appearance and fascinating behavior. To ensure the well-being of orange koi isopods, it's crucial to provide them with a suitable environment. These isopods have distinct needs that can be met through attentive care. First and foremost, maintaining the right humidity levels is essential. Orange koi isopods thrive in moderately humid environments. A well-ventilated terrarium with moisture-retentive substrate, such as cocoa coir mixed with leaf litter, is ideal for their habitat. Temperature control is equally vital. Keeping the terrarium within a stable temperature range, typically between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 and 24 degrees Celsius, ensures their comfort and well-being. Avoiding extreme temperature fluctuations is essential. The substrate should offer hiding spots and areas for foraging. Providing ample leaf litter and other organic matter can replicate their natural habitat and encourage natural behaviors. Feeding them a varied diet is crucial. These isopods are detritivores, meaning they feed on decaying plant matter and organic debris. Offering specialized isopod food and a consistent source of calcium like crushed eggshells supports the exoskeleton development. Orange koi isopods are generally peaceful and can coexist with isopod species in a communal setup. However, it's essential to ensure that the habitat conditions align with the needs of other species if you choose to keep them together. The research is essential to maintain harmony in your isopod community. Collectors and enthusiasts primarily keep orange koi isopods for their unique and captivating characteristics. Their striking appearance and intriguing behavior make them a prized addition to isopod collections. Additionally, they play a role in terrarium ecosystems by contributing to the decomposition of organic matter. And in conclusion, Porcellio scaber orange koi isopods offer a delightful opportunity for collectors to appreciate the wonders of nature. By meeting their specific growing requirements, you can create an environment where these captivating creatures thrive and add a touch of wonder to your collection. If you found this exploration as fascinating as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of nature on our channel.